state Ghana.
Gavana mar kaonti ma Siaya James Orengo medo yudo akwede kowuok kuom jotelo mawuok gwengego kaluwore gi paro mar loro mbalariany ma Jaramogi Oginga Odinga University of Science and Technology e bade mantiere Siaya. Wachore ni piny owacho ma Siaya dwaro kawo lowo ma mbalariany no gere kar somo mar weche pur e Siaya Agricultural Training Center mondo mi gigere log tich manyien mar kaonti no ma Siaya. Wach mabende kwedo mokalo kod jokanye sekta ma somo kanyakla kod jotelo mabende wuok e gwenge makono.
I personally have been part of this process of getting a university in the county headquarters. From 2013, a lot of work went in. Uplifting physical infrastructure at ATC took place, so money was spent to build ablution block, to build an extra lecture hall. Then we modified the dorms to accommodate students. Now, when I hear finally, eventually, when it emerges that there's a new intention regarding what to make that use of that land, to make it something else rather than a university college, that is not what the intention was. If that happens, then it is a betrayal.
Kotelegi kod ngire Paul Wao Achola mabende jakoma mar komiti mabende ne tayo chenro mar gedo mar bad mbalariany no wacho ni mano en mwandu mbalariany no moko nego lor. Ngire Achola ne oloso bende e yo machalo kamae.
Our surprise is that a new county headquarters exists and the governor is sitting in there. There are other offices there. The land is still spacious enough to accommodate other buildings. There's also expansion up. You can go up and so on. Those options are there. And so we don't see why a new county headquarters has priority over a university institution that will bring dynamism, economic, social, educational, intellectual to the county. And so we want the public to know that there are stakeholders who have been part and parcel of this thing who feel betrayed.
Kosiro wachno mane na jatenda Linsi Owino Tamre owacho ni loro bad mbalariany no biro rocho chenro mag somo kod dongruok e gwenge makono.
This is a driving force towards economic development. So when you look at social development, when you look at economic development, you look at the human capital development, the new county headquarters that he's talking about is not a good thing for us. So as intellectuals here, we are saying no on behalf of the society. We don't want that headquarters to be built there. Let him go to land that had been allocated for the headquarters. And I think with that, politically, he's committing a suicide.
Manen meya mar municipal ma Siaya Julius Aguto Chiam bende osiro wechego ka okwayo Gavana Orengo mondo chiw ler ewi chung mar kaunti no ewi wach machalo kod mano.
Now I want to thank my chairman, the professor, and my colleague Councillor Orengo, and our MP, area MP Atandi, for standing firm on this matter. So I would like to ask Governor to give us the clarification on this matter, because we are the people of Alego, we are supporting this university fully because it's our source of revenue.